Today I'm going to share this foxtail millet bath or pulao recipe with you. It is an amazing dish. I generally make it with rice, but I wanted to try it with millet and ensure that it is not very soggy. So I have soaked foxtail millet for a while, and here I'm giving normal pulao tadka, onion and methi and pudina I have added. Ensure everything is fried well, and these are the vegetables that I am adding in with a bit of salt so that it cooks well. And this is tomato that goes in, and all these things with coconut. I am going to make a paste. The details will be in the caption. Please check what I am adding to grind. And once it is cooked well, then I am adding soaked foxtail millet by removing the water which I use for soaking. Then hot water goes in, coconut, lemon, salt, and I will cook it for 10 minutes. I'm using cooker because it is heavy bottomed. Otherwise, you can cook it in any open pan. 10 plus 10 minutes is what the cooking time is. With some ghee, I gave it a quick mix and cooked it again. So here, foxtail millet pulao is ready. Give it a try and comment and tell me if you want me to share more millet recipes.